A Christmas Eve snowstorm is expected to bring 10 to 15 centimeters of snow to Edmonton, along with 15 km/h winds and temperatures dropping to -29°C with wind chill. RCMP are urging holiday travelers to prioritize safety due to potentially hazardous road conditions and reduced visibility, recommending drivers check Alberta 511 for updates and adapt travel plans if necessary. They advise ensuring vehicles are prepared with fuel, charged phones, and blankets. The RCMP also emphasizes avoiding impaired driving, increasing check stops during the holiday season. City crews are working to clear high-priority areas. Environment Canada warns of potentially sloppy driving conditions and possible air travel delays. The snow is expected to taper off overnight, leading to a sunny Christmas Day, with more snow forecast for Thursday night.